up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got a little running around to do, and there's Cody. Cody is going to be hanging out.
Let's go, man. We're leaving.
Where y'all going?
We got things to do, man.
Where we going?
Come on, let's roll.
Ken was on his way. He texted me. He said, "You going over there?" I said, "Yeah, I figured I'd help turn some wrenches."
Where was he at?
He was South Jackson.
Oh.
I texted him and told him to meet us at your shop in town.
All right. Yeah,
let's roll. So yeah, we got to go check on another project that's going down with the white car from the video last week. Say what's up to Cody.
What's up?
What up, G? So let's roll. Who would that be? Oh, that's Ken. And that is what's left of the white GT. If you caught the upload from last week, you saw that car was running and driving. And now it is officially totally taken apart. So, let's see what's up. What is Ken doing? Let's see if we can sneak up on him. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Dude, you got the Foxcast on.
Oh yeah, of course.
Ken is officially representing.
Always.
But anyway, check this out. So what we got to do, nobody knows this or not, but the Edge car that Ken had, things kind of changed and Dover bought it. Yeah. So, from what I've been told, big things have been happening. This car is completely stripped, as you see. So, let's go and see what is the what. Yeah? What? Yeah, tell him camera's rolling. Alright, so.
Yeah, no, that's what we come to look at.
So this is the 2000 GT that Ken bought. And as you can see, what once was in the white car is now officially in here. That went fast.
Yes, he did.
This was actually going to be a race car. As you can see, it was cut out. There's going to be a massive turbo here, and plans change and all that good stuff. But I hadn't actually got to see this car yet, Ken. It is.
Straight car.
Hell yeah. Oh, those seats are nice. I need those in my life for the beater. But dash has already been out and back in. And as you can see, the epic Explorer wheels. Heck yeah. Oh. Yes. These are the salines that were on the car. And I can promise you, here shortly, yours truly will be trying these on the Fox because I freaking love salines, especially on the Fox. What do you think, Ken?
Yeah.
I think those will look freaking epic.
They look killer on there.
We'll try them on, see what's up. Are those drag radials? Yeah.
No, they're regular.
No, they're not. G-Force rival. Don't know what those are, but
Those were on the back of about a 420 horsepower GT.
oh, nice.
04 GT.
He was having fun with that car.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, the plan is just put this bad boy back together and have another running driving GT and send it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a good example of what not to do to your Mustang GT.
Lord, no.
Look at this.
It ain't much different when it's on the ground.
That is unflippin' real.
Spacers and stuff.
The most god-awful freaking wheels, too. And this is a 40th anniversary GT, and I remember seeing this car years ago driving around town. I mean, come on. Another example of what not to do, jacking your car up on the freaking core support. Come on, people. I mean, jeez. But luckily, the new owner is trying to bring it back. The rear end was totally locked up. It had these garbage wheels on it. I mean, look at this. Look at this crap. But this is the rear end out of the white convertible. So slowly but surely,
recycling, man.
We are, we save edge cars too, right?
Oh, yeah, man.
We're saving this edge car and that car over there. So we don't just do Foxes here. We're saving them all one by one.
Yeah,
Definitely.
whatever we can get, man.
Don't crush them, restore them.
That's right. That's right. The greenies are not the recyclers. We are. Jenkins' house. Check out his swap. And how you doing? What's going on?
Look.
Oh man, look at this here.
Hey, this is Bill Forsyth.
There you go.
Guys,
How you
like,
doing?
like my dad, man, take care of me, and just recently he's gonna be our new financial backer for anything that happens.
That works. We need one.
Yeah, we get one. Are we all there now?
But anyway, the story on this car was owned by the same person for God only knows, since 89 or 90, whenever this car was made. But they just sold it. They drove this car forever. And here it is. Got a fresh coat of paint on it. Looks really good. Bone stock car. Untouched, completely untouched. Hold on, let's see if the silencer's still in it. Yep, there it is. Hold on, get some light in there. Still there. That is stock.
So,
All right, guys. So I took you here a while back to Brian's shop, check out his Coyote swap, but he's making some progress with it. And got some wheels on it. It's got the 8.8 up under it. So yes, it's covered in dust. Lots of projects going on, but she is coming along really well. And his car will probably be done right about the same time mine gets done, which is not very long, but he actually had to take a break to work on this car. And I told you about this car earlier, but actually here's the interior. This car is actually not in that bad a shape. Pretty clean. But now we're doing a little smoke testing. Have we found a leak?
Yeah, nothing major.
Looking for leaks. See right down here. Yeah, it's coming from.
Oh, the smoke can.
Coming out the airbox. So yeah, doing a little smoke testing, trying to get this GT back together. And this is a super cool car. I really dig it. Stock look, and it's got fresh paint on it. This car was really rough not that long ago, but I love this. Very nice. So we did a little smoke test, just looking for any vacuum leaks. Now we're going to reset the timing, just make sure all that's good. The car wants to start dying out after it's been idling for a little while, so we're trying to track a little bit of that down, see what's going on with it. What's the timing sitting at?
I don't know with this light.
can you get in there? You may have to send a man in there too.
Nah, you can't go through there.
Hopefully get this bad boy running good again. All right, guys, so I got to wrap this video up, but anyway, hell of a day. Just out and about, fooling around a little bit, and helping Brian get this 90 ready for his son. And been a freaking awesome day. Got the other Coyote swap over here, parts car out there, but definitely a good day. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, support us on the Patreon page, and I will see you June 9th, Jackson, Tennessee for the Ford Takeover. Everybody have a good one. Later.